Alright, let's look now at adding video, photos, and files to our class. I'm back in my class now and I've clicked on the video tab, and I'm going to go back to my YouTube video. You can add video from any hosted service, Vimeo, YouTube, etc. And it really helps if you have a hosted account, especially a YouTube account, because then you can record your classes as well with Hangouts and post them into the video section. So I'm going to go again to the share button and copy this short URL. It needs to be the short URL, not the long URL that's in my YouTube URL at the top here. So click on share, copy the short URL, go back to my class. Under the URL button, I'll post the pasted text in there, give it a title. This video is by Khan, who is the author of the Khan Academy. Here he is speaking on TED. I can also give a little bit of a caption on the video. And here it tells you the kind of the different providers, video host providers that are available to you. Okay, hit publish video. And here my video is loaded as part of the curriculum on the site. And it's a little different to what I've just posted on the wall, in the sense that the wall would be a discussion point which comes and goes or just continues down in the discussion points, whereas the video would always be there as a main video point. One of the best uses of this particular tab is if you have a class that you've videoed and you have video content for your class, or a PowerPoint content, or even a screen recording like I'm doing right now, you can add these as part of your class. Adding a photo is also pretty easy. You just click on New Photo, and in this case we'll be selecting a file from our computer, from the desktop. So this is not a hosted service. So here's an image here that I want to use. And give it a description and a title as well. Click Upload Photo. And the photograph is added to my collection. What's really good about this particular feature is that it doesn't have to be photos. It could be charts, diagrams, or anything related to your course. And if I am a student clicking on these, I get a nice display which I'm able to click through like a gallery for all of the images for the class. Next order that is File, which works very much in the same way. Click on New File and give it a title, or in this case I'm going to look for the file first on my hard drive. So let's say it's going to be that particular PDF file. It could be a PDF file, it could be a Word file, a .doc, a .txt, it could be a PowerPoint file or an Excel spreadsheet. Virtually any kind of file could be added to the Files tab. Hit upload and the system will upload this file for the class. And there it is. Gives a little icon for what type of file it is so that the user knows if it's PDF or Word file or whatever. Okay, let's add an event. Let's say we want to start a Google Hangout for a week's time. We go to the Events tab, click on New Event, give it a title. You can give the event some detail. You could give it a location. If it's going to be an online event, you could either leave that blank or just call it an online event. You could also give an address if you'd like a map to be available. And give it a date. So in this case, it's going to be, let's say, a few days from now. Time starting at 7:30 a.m. If you are dealing with international students, then their time is set to wherever they are, so there's no confusion with the time. Schedule the event. And there it is. Students who go and look at these events can reply to the event so you know who's going to be attending. And if I go and have a look at the detail of the event, it also gives me a map if it's a physical location that uses Google Maps.